Hello class 8, good morning. Today we are going to start chapter 6, printing in Java programs. The chapter name is printing in Java programs. So we are going to discuss two types of printing statements used in Java. First comes output statement. What is the output statement? The output statement in Java programming produces the result of an execution on the screen. So we have discussed many Java programs. So we print the output using the system out println statement. So that is the output statement of Java. So what is the definition? The output statement in Java programming produces the result of an execution on the screen. The values to be displayed on the screen must be enclosed within the braces. Which braces? The small braces. The output statement can be written in two different forms. First one is system out println and second one is system out print. So see, we have two types of output statement used in Java programming. First one is called system out println. So what is the difference here? ln. And at last here print only. System out print. So what is the first one? System out println. In case of system out println, this bracket sign is called function. In case of system out println, line changes every time the content has been printed. This statement is used to shift the cursor to the next line of the screen after producing the result. So what does it do? Suppose if we have got 5 system out println statement in our program, in one program, then after printing the first line, it will change the line, the second line, change the line, it will print the third one and change the line. And that's why it is called, this statement is used to shift the cursor to the next line of the screen after producing the result. So this is the system out println. Its syntax is system.out.println and a bracket, in this bracket, whatever message you want to print, we can give that message within the double quote or without message any value. And at last, I can close the bracket and semicolon. See, this is a small example. For example, public class result, public static void main string args. We have two variables, integer type, a equal to 22 and b equal to 88. System out println, the sum of two numbers equal to a plus b. So see here, this a plus b is within the bracket. So what will happen? A and b will be added and the sum will be printed. Second line, system out println, the difference of two numbers plus a minus b. A is 22, b is 88. So 22 minus 88, whatever difference comes is printed. Third line, system out println, the product of two numbers equal to plus a asterisk b. Okay, so this is example of system out println statement. How it functions? This statement changes every time the content has been printed. It is used to change the line. Now let us see in the same program in BlueJ. In the BlueJ, how to do it? Open the BlueJ. Program is already typed, result. Result is the program. So double click on the result. Now see, same program, int a equal to 22, b equal to 88. Same system out println, the sum of two numbers equal to a plus b. System out println, the difference of two numbers equal to a minus b. And the system out println, the product of two numbers equal to a asterisk b. So compile the program. Message came, no syntax error. Close the program. Result, right click, click on the void main, click on the OK. Now what you can see, the sum of two numbers equal to 110, the line is changed. The difference of two numbers equal to minus 66, the line is changed. And the product of two numbers equal to 1936, okay, and line is changed. Alright, so this is the first statement. Now what is second statement? The system out print statement. In case of system out print, line does not change after printing the values inside the bracket. See, in the first one, after printing the value, line changes. In this, what happens? The line does not change after printing the values inside the bracket. In this statement, the cursor remains in the same line on the screen after producing the result. Syntax: system out print message or value to be displayed. See the example. Same program, int a equal to 22, b equal to 88. System out print the sum of two numbers equal to in the bracket plus a plus b. System out print the difference of two numbers. System out print the product of two numbers. So this is the second program using the system out print statement. Now same, let us open the BlueJ. Open the same program. Make some changes. Now instead of println, type only the print. Print. Now compile the program. No syntax error. Close the program. Right click, void main, click on the OK. Now see what you have noticed. The sum of two numbers equal to 110. The difference of two numbers equal to minus 66. The product of two numbers equal to 1936. All the three output are in the one line, are in the same line. Why? Because this time we have used the system out print statement instead of system out println. So all the outputs are in one line. So I think now it is clear. So how it works? System out println statement changes the line every time the content has been printed. This statement is used to shift the cursor to the next line of the screen after printing the result. What is syntax? System out println or message or values to be printed within the bracket. And system out print, in the case of system out print, the line does not change after printing the values inside the bracket. In this statement, the cursor remains in the same line on the screen after producing the result. And in the Java, we have seen how it works. See the same program, compile the program, close the program, right click, click on the void main, click on the OK, and see the output has come. So in today's class, in chapter 6, we have learned two output statement, system out println and system out print. Both are output statement or printing statements of Java. Write the definition and syntax and learn. Thank you.